So I'm now in the process of cleaning out my mom's house, and I've been doing really well, but this process has been a little more difficult. It's weird how so many things can come up. You learn a lot about your parents cleaning out their things, and things you didn't know, some things you did know that sort of bring up triggers from childhood, and it's so interesting. It's been a good exercise for me going through this and doing work that I've learned along the way, and just having grace for things, and also just I've been talking to my mom a lot, and just because there's things I feel bad about, things I feel guilty about, and just allowing myself to go through all of those feelings and emotions. And there's a part of you that has to set it aside because you have a job to do, and then when I get home I just go through all of it and I allow myself to feel it and talk to her and pray about it. But it's been such an interesting thing to have to do. So I'm wondering if any of you have had to do that and what it brought up for you.